Yeah. So when it comes to cold emailing, try to send emails to people who already have something. Like they have a established brand. Maybe they have few people in their group, in their company. Uh, Subhabrata Bhai is saying, can this leads part be done by VS? Why not? Why not? See, right now, the entire process that I'm going through, I can just do it in a screen record. I can simply record it like मैं क्या क्या करता हूँ step by step. Then when you hire the VA, just send him the video. भाई ये video पकड़, see whatever is happening inside the video, just replicate. So the entire idea is to create a replicatable strategy, जो कि easily replicate होता जाए. Okay. So entire thing can be replicated and you can easily train VAs. Like आपको एक मिनट भी spend करना नहीं पड़ेगा. Now you will start doing outreach and record everything. Okay. मैंने पहले से ही बोला है, document करो हर चीज को. If you record it, you can simply tell your VA like, hey, this is what I'm doing, and you have to do it from tomorrow. And if you have any doubt, you can always ask me, and every single thing is inside the video. That's it. Okay, so basically they are a gymware company. This is really laser sharp targeted. I think they also must be having good ad budget and stuff. We can also go to their Instagram and see how they are doing. Okay, Gym King. I think this is a great company. Okay, 352,000 followers. Okay. So basically, if you are into income, you can go ahead and try this guy. Mm, okay, there is someone called Girish. He is founder of Curiosity Gym. Okay, he is basically from Mumbai metropolitan region, which is also a very posh area. You can also try to talk to him if you are willing to work with Indian clients. But I simply am not working with them, so basically I will skip it. Again, okay. So what we can do is we can select a location. Let's assume US. Okay. Now, when I normally do cold outreach, what I do is I do this countries with highest per capita income. Okay, do this first and see which are the countries right now. Okay, Luxembourg, Switzerland, Norway. These are the countries that are having the highest growth right now. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and type Luxembourg here. Okay, okay, and remove United States. Then show results. Or you can also do one thing, you can add all this: Luxembourg, Switzerland, Ireland, Norway, United States, Singapore, Denmark, Iceland, Qatar, Australia. See, this is gold mine. Okay, this is gold mine. So we are when we are trying when we do outreach now, we try to send emails to every single business owner, because we were in hope that we will get some business out of it. But again, you have to do some research कि अभी फिलहाल कौन से country में ज़्यादा पैसा है. So this is the report of 2020. Okay, you guys can have this report. I think this is the free report of Statista. Okay, yeah. मैं इसको PDF का download कर देता हूँ. Okay, it is not allowing me. Maybe I can save this from here. Let me save as. This is a gold mine. आप top 5 को अभी हाँ हो गया save. Top 5 को अभी target कीजिए. अच्छा expand. कुछ जुगाड़ करते हैं इसका. हाँ हो गया. Top 5 का अभी target कीजिए. बाद में देखेंगे. We will see the other countries. Okay. So always try to enter into a market that has money. अभी money का bag मतलब money bag is in one country, but you are targeting a country that is totally broke, और इंडिया का लिस्ट इसमें कहीं पे भी नहीं है, but you are targeting India. That is your mistake. Okay, so that is your mistake. See, इतना तक ही रखते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, that's fine. अभी इतना तक ही देखिए, बाद में देखेंगे अलग. Okay, I have this. I will send you guys. So once you have the right countries, then you can start searching with your niche keyword and that particular country. Okay, so abhi we are totally sure that Luxembourg का जो gym owner होगा, they are 100% better than Indian gym owners. Okay, so just simply try to find independent coach. Let's see what she has for us today. Just try to open okay, as much as profiles and see. Okay, personal trainer, head of project management. Okay, I think we can add more filters. Location, company, job title, maybe. Maybe title may owner. Sure, that's. Okay. Again, all filters. See you. Abhilash is saying free account mein, it will not allow you to search. See, once you do this every day, now they will give you an offer which you can easily avail. But for starting few months, it is fine, not a problem. Independent coach. Okay, contact info. Okay, I don't think they have a business. Okay, so now this is someone who is owner of a gym, Stephanie, and the Little Gym Luxembourg, she is the owner. Okay, so what we can try to do is we can either go and check her website, or we can also simply go and find her email if it is available in the LinkedIn profile. But again, I'm telling you, be very specific with your niche and try to find owners in that particular area, maybe United States. Okay, this is something good. Okay, United States में अच्छा खासा result मिल रहा है, so we will go with United States. Okay, or you can stack up as many as countries if you want. Chief Executive Officer at UFC Gym. Okay, and let's go and see like ऐसा gym है. Okay. Okay, this is their website. Okay. Agar if I see कि yeah, it is a good business, looks good to me, I can work with them, they can afford my service, then only I will try to go ahead and send them something. Okay. So if you think it is a broke company, it has nothing, and you can't just fit in, or they won't be able to pay your price, then don't go with it. Okay. Train for free today. Train for free today. Matlab they are also giving some free pass offer right now. Something you can also go and check their Facebook page and see in the page transparency, like whether they are running some ads or not. Depend करता है कि what kind of services you are basically selling. Okay. But the whole idea is to go for the right leads. मतलब जो broke companies है, stay away from them. This page is currently running ads. तो अभी मैं देखूंगा कि मैं क्या इसमें better कर सकता हूँ. Maybe I can help them with copywriting. Maybe they are just boosting random posts or something. तो वो अभी देखना पड़ेगा. We have to see. Okay. Not India. We have to make it US. Or maybe all.
So you have to click all ads also, or ad category. Ad category, please do the ad all ads.
So right now they are promoting this. Okay, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So okay, active kids are happy kids. Train difference 40% sign up for 89 per month. Okay, they are running a lot of ads here. I think I can help them with copywriting because see, okay, create children struggling with low self-confidence. There's a way to help them overcome. Okay, let's see. They are using the normal type of copy, problem and solution, but they are not using any persuasion and all. So I can definitely help them write better copy. Okay, if you are a Facebook ad guy, you can simply find out like, yeah, this is what they are doing wrong. I can also help them in certain ways. Okay, so if you think you can help them or add some value, you can go ahead and send them an email, or else you can just skip it and try to find someone that you can help. But again, make sure that they have some money, they can afford your services. Okay, so what I will do is I will try to find his email. You can use Hunter, find that lead, or any other extension that you think is good for you. See, I have already received his email. Right now, see, I'm quite sure that, yeah, this is a niche I want to do work with. This is a right guy who is the owner of the company. This particular business is earning a lot of money because they are also into Facebook ads, investing a lot of money into marketing. Right now, you will have to decide that whether you can help them or not, or something. So I will try to talk to this guy. So I will go to the page transparency again. Go to the ad library. Okay. More conversions, maybe more conversions for what was the gym? UFC. Okay. Now, the subject line again has to be really benefit driven. You guys have to make sure that you are not writing something like SEO for your website or backlink at 8 rupees or $10 or $15. You have to make sure that the subject line is totally benefit driven. Okay. Okay. So this is something looks very normal. There is nothing special with this thing. Like, yeah, it is fine. Again, it is talking about Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for kids. Okay. Mm, okay. They are using a particular landing page for this. I think this is already being handled by an agency because this is quite mm, professional looking. So now again, if we can add value, we can go ahead, or else you can skip this and go to another person. So normally, ये जो पहले page में जितना है ना, these people are already being paged every day. What you can do is you can simply go to page 100 or page 50 or page 25 or something like that. Okay. But again, let's assume this is someone I can add value to. What I can do is I would uh, try to talk with him about some copywriting. Okay. Hi Adam. Mm, again, I will try to find something that is happening in their company. Okay. Are you ready for t-shirt tank top weather? Okay. Prioritize fat loss. Get back to protein. Okay. So what I will do is I will try to talk with him regarding my copywriting service. I don't need the website here. So what I will write here is I just came across your Facebook page that shows a lot of ads running related to maybe Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Okay. That which talks about the problem and the solution in the ad. Normally, we can get better conversion if we use the wheel up persuasion. Then you can try to be funny or try things like, well, that's not a magic trick, but that's not a magic trick. I write copy. I help gyms like yours to increase their conversion with persuasive copy, okay, or copywriting. This is true. Yeah, yeah. The score is 90. So, well, that's not a magic trick. I help gyms like yours to increase their conversion with persuasive copywriting. If you are free this week or the next, we can jump on a Zoom call to discuss how we can increase conversions, how we can increase conversions for those Facebook ads you are running right now. Okay, perfect. Score is 99. Now, if yes, please let me know the best time. Looking forward to talk with you soon. Okay, looking forward to talking with you soon. Now, best my name and go to my calendar and my LinkedIn. Okay, so again, in your LinkedIn you must be very specific. Like, see, we got that lead from LinkedIn. We are attaching our LinkedIn link. Again, we are just trying to tell them that, yeah, let's talk about how we can increase conversion on your website. So basically, this is benefit driven. We are trying to help them out. Okay, we are not telling them to purchase backlink or purchase SEO, or maybe whatever it is that we are selling. We are not trying to tell them that buy this for me or buy that for me. I'm just telling them, okay, if you are free this week or next, you can jump on a Zoom call to discuss how we can increase uh, we can discuss everything on a Zoom call, how we can increase the conversion for those Facebook ads. Now, here I'm not telling him, can you please copy paste the, yeah, I will give you this. This is cold email, a script that I am using. You can just plug and play your services and use it for your business. Mhm. Again, I'm sending it in the group as well. So यहाँ पे you don't have to be salesy at all. Never try to push your services. Just tell them that, can we just talk about everything that is happening with your marketing, or maybe you can talk about anything that you think you can help them in. Okay. So looking forward to talk to you soon. So now again, I showed you how. Second. Okay, now I showed you two type of methods. One that Lily is using, one that I am using right now. So which method do you think is going to give you results? This one or the next? This one or the method of Lily, which is going to, yeah, you can use email trackers. So again, uh, again, yeah, thank you, Anibhai. So see, again, now you have to think about two things. Okay, agar mujhe reply nahi milta hai, what I will do? What I do normally is I do 3 follow-ups. Okay, 3 follow-ups. Okay, I do 3. Avilas is saying Lily needs to come to this class. ठीक है, कुछ उनको लिंक भेज देंगे. So basically 3 follow-ups we do. Okay, I do personally. And how I do follow-up, I will also show you guys. अभी फिलहाल इसके साथ मेरा कॉल हो गया था. I will also do another follow-up. See, I sent them this message on April 13th, April. Okay. Hi Jan, I just noticed your post on Upwork regarding social media manager, etc. I am reaching out to show you some of my recent work. See, I'm just reaching out to show you some of my recent work. Currently, I'm working with some well-known brands and non-profits as a social media manager plus graphic designer. Here are some of my clients. Okay, I have already sent them the client links, which I can't show you. Sorry. Then in the attachment, I have added my recent work. Okay, because see, this was a warm lead. They were looking for a social media manager. Again, I got no replies from this guy. Okay, then I sent them this. Hi Jan, just making sure if you received my previous email. Are you still looking for some help? For some, yeah, there is a typo here. Still I got the reply, thank God. Are you still looking for someone to help you with social media marketing and social media management and graphics? Okay, politely just I asked, did you receive my previous email? So this can be your first follow-up sequence. Okay, this can be your first follow-up sequence. Just be polite, just tell them that क्या आपने मेरा मेल आपके पास पहुंचा कि नहीं पहुंचा. I'm just making sure. Okay, so once I sent him that email, hi Satruji, thank you for your interest in this position and your subsequent follow-up. Apologies for not getting back to you right away. I had to look through your profile and portfolio. I would like to know more about you and explore the possibilities to join our team. Okay, please schedule a call with me now. See, now why I always talk about Calendly. If you are going for international clients who have a lot of uh, uh, skills and they are into technology, they know what is digital marketing, they are ready to invest in digital marketing, they will always send you a Calendly link. Okay, so now that I have Calendly link, what I can do is I can either book another call with him. As you guys know, I already booked the call with him. Then what I told him is, thank you for your response. I will go ahead and book a call. Okay. Then I told him that I just booked a call for tomorrow. Talk to you soon. Okay, then once the call happened, then now I'm also in a follow-up mode because they have not told me when to start and all. So see, this is another follow-up. Hi, Jan. Hope you had a good weekend. I'm telling you a secret, never do a follow-up on weekend. Whenever you do follow-up on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, people think you are hungry. Okay. See, Abhi, there are many countries that are going to implement the 4-day work week culture. Okay, where people will only work for 4 days and they will have fun for, they will spend maybe time with their family for 3 days. Now again, if you are sending them a reply or maybe a follow-up or maybe something that you are trying to send them on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, they will simply feel that, yeah, this guy is not having any work. He is just sending me mails because he's hungry for this. Okay. So what I did is I just paused everything and I did my work and spent my time with my friends. Then I came back after the weekend. Okay. On Monday, I am sending this to him. Hi Jan, hope you had a great weekend. Just for a quick update, do we have any progress? Have a great day. Best regards. See, make these things simple. ये लग रहा है कि कोई, हाँ, मुझे कोई एक जाना पहचाना, मतलब somebody who is a human is sending me this email. Okay, not like some robot who just like Lily. Okay, again, this is my last follow-up. Hey Jan, hope you're good. We had a call on 7th May. It was regarding the graphic designer designing requirement of Synth block. I'm just doing the last follow-up to find out if you are still interested. Let me know. Best wishes. Okay, this is my last follow-up. So these are the 3 follow-ups that I do. After 3 follow-ups, I don't do anything. But again, let's assume you need the work. You can simply try to do things like, hi Jan, just making sure. See, Abhi, I have sent him a lot of emails. If this email will look salesy, he will surely feel that I need work right now. So what I will do is, hey Jan, just making sure all the emails I sent you reached your inbox. Okay. Best Satru. Okay. So I'm just trying to tell him कि मैंने जो mail भेजा है, is it really going to your inbox? Best Satrujit. Now again, if he's still looking for the same job or looking to outsource the same work, he will come back to me, or else that position might be filled up by somebody else. Okay, so I will just send this. Okay, just पर yeah, again, आज Sunday है, I'm just sending this to show you guys, but Sunday may don't do any follow-ups. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. So one second, guys. So this is something what you do when you have no other options, but you are still looking to work with them. Okay, this is the fourth sequence. You can skip it, or if you don't have anything, then you just do this. Just making sure all those follow-up emails reached your inbox or not. Okay. Again, this will not make you look like a salesy person. You are just making sure that they are getting your mails. Okay, that's it. कहीं पे भी कुछ नहीं बोलना है कि भाई why are you not hiring me, why are you not replying me, I'm trying to reach you again and again. I've seen many people send me those messages. Hey Satyajit, I tried to reach you for my ACO work, you are not doing this, not doing that. Are bhai, I don't need that service right now. You are just pitching out of nowhere. Okay, so this is what, always try to jump on a call, don't try to be salesy. Okay, so again, there are different channels. Okay, there are different channels which we can use to send uh, the emails. Okay, you can also send them on Facebook, you can also send them on Instagram. Okay, then okay, we will go to Google listing product. Yeah, see, these are few places what you can use to get those leads. Google listing, product hunt, Groupon. You can also go to LinkedIn. Okay, if you are into the SaaS industry, product hunt might be the best place for you. But again, as I told you, we completed the cold email, the Google My Business that I will send you in some time. Okay. Also the Instagram ka kaise hota hai, DM outreach, I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, because it is something that works best when you try to do it from mobile. Okay. Again, you can also send the same thing using Facebook pages. Okay, you can go to the Facebook page and you can send them the DM, because right now Messenger open rates and reply rates are quite higher than the email. Okay, so you can use all these DM channels like Facebook, Instagram. You can use Google My Business. I will send all this in the chat in the, you are sending emails from a Gmail or have LinkedIn business. Oh yeah. See, right now I am using Google Suite. It is basically paid. It is by Google, so it is Google Suite. It charges me somewhere around 299 every month, something like that. Yeah, G Suite use करें. Okay, so different channels हो गया. These are the methods which I am going to send you through the group, business DM, Instagram and everything. Facebook का वही तरीका है. Just find their Facebook page and try to send them the same thing using Facebook. Okay, but again, yeah. So Abhi, I will share, these are some do's and don'ts which you can take a screenshot if possible. Okay, domain email always stands out. Okay, so see, just there was a question Abhilash was asking, kaisa email bhejna better hai. Domain email always stands out. See, if you are trying to position yourself as a professional, and if you are trying to send professional emails, and you are using a Gmail, the reader, there are some people who see from which domain it is coming to. Okay, the reader might feel कि भाई इसके पास तो एक professional. Yeah, I will send you the PDF. So he might or she might think कि भाई इसके पास तो Gmail से आगे जाने के लिए पैसे भी नहीं है. How does he manage an agency or a freelance business? Okay, so if you don't have money, that is different thing. Okay, you can go with Gmail for maybe first 2-3 months, but again, domain email will always stand out. Use a person name like satrujit@getclients.com. So you can use your name abhishek@abc.com, sarang@abc.com. Do not use mails like hello@abc.com, info@xyz.com, support@service@. We don't use these kind of things in cold email. Okay, so you can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, business listings, Lead Gorilla, you have to avoid because I will just remove this because right now there is a lot of issue with Google. You can use D7 Lead Finder. Okay, you can use all this. Okay, so you can use all this other softwares if you have money. Use Find That Lead or Hunter to find emails. Okay, if you don't have Find That Lead Hunter, you can simply go to Google and type Hunter alternatives. Find the lead alternatives. So ये तो सारा digital marketer लोग, we know it. So I don't have to tell you guys that. Okay, send emails to valid email addresses only. Okay, like I'm sending only to green buttons. Like जहाँ पर मुझे green bubble दिखता है, I only send email to those email IDs because if you send them to invalid emails, so normally what people do is they try to buy some leads from someone, add those leads to a Google sheet, try to send 50 100 emails a day. Then out of those 50 100, around 20 emails are not verified emails. So what will happen is your open rate will go down, your conversion rate will go down, your emails will land in the spam folder. So don't send emails to those unverified emails. Okay. Then before sending mails, do some warm up. See, if you are totally new to this cold email thing and you are trying to send emails to big companies to book a call with you, try to send email to your 7 to 8 friends, family members, maybe your colleagues, and tell them to open the email and send you a reply. So इसको बोलते हैं IP warm up. So once you do it, I'm giving you guarantee that when you send more emails, it will land in their inbox. But again, if you have no warm up done and you are trying to go ahead and send 30, 40, 50 emails a day, then all the emails will be landing up in the spam folder. Okay, so try to do some warm up before going ahead. Again, don't try selling anything. So this is our main goal. We are not selling anything. We are trying to be a helping hand. We are trying to provide value. We are trying to build relationship and connections. Once we are on the discovery call, then only we can say what we can sell them. See, abhi somebody, see, how do you know that I need backlinks? How do you know that I'm into SEO? Abhishek is saying it is okay to send email outreach email from my primary business email. Abhishek is used for business communication to send separate email for outreach. See, now in Gmail you have labels. You can separate everything by giving them different labels. If you already have something like abhishek@xyz.com, start using it. No problem. Okay. So don't try to sell anything, try to start a conversation, try to book a call. See, right now, if you don't know me, if you are talking to me for the first time through email, how do you know that my business is needing backlinks? You have to jump on a discovery call. See, the gym guy, I send the email. I tried to find out some ads and all they are running, but I also told him how we can do it better or something. So again, in the discovery call, I will try to know that who is writing those ads, why they are only using problem and solution method, why they are not using the 6 persuasion method, and why all those ads are not having the right words when it comes to copywriting and all. So if you will say that, hey man, this is something my Facebook ad manager is writing and he has no copywriting experience. See, there and then you know that, yeah, right now I have something to pitch. Okay, so aapko problem, see, just like doctors, we are digital doctors. You have to know that what the customer is exactly lacking. Then only I can pitch a service. Okay, now there are few people who are selling videos. Okay, how do you know that the prospect is needing a video? Okay, so when you see a complicated business, but they are doing nothing to make it simple, if they do a simple video of 1 minute, people can easily understand what they are selling. So you have to find this out, like why your product is not selling well. Have you tried this video thing? Like you can say 10,000 words in a 1-2 minute video. Okay, you can create a imaginary thinking in your customer's brain. Okay, video is a nice. You can also give them a lot of examples. Like this is how people are complicated business are creating simple videos and selling up. So if you don't know where they are lacking right now, how do you pitch? You can't just go out and pitch everything to everyone. Okay. Now, once you niche down, once you already have some case studies or you are interested to work in that niche, you can simply go ahead and ask them like, yeah, this is how I can help you. I think this can be better. Okay. I think we can do things in this way or that way. Okay. So at that point, the customer will listen to you. If the customer is not listening to your pitch, why the hell they will hire you? If somebody doesn't know that, yeah, this guy needs backlink, why the hell I will talk to them? Even I know that this person is just sending me to, like, uh, simply doesn't know anything about me and pitching me backlinks. Okay. So you have to find out the problems and pains of the customer. You have to go on a diagnosis call. Once you diagnose the problem, then only you can enter. Okay. Start the conversation, always focus on getting a call. Don't try to sell anything, always focus on getting a call. Send emails to targeted people, not Tom, Dick, or Harry. So just like that girl is doing, she is sending email to everybody that is having a domain email because she knows that this guy is having a website. That's why she is sending me backlink offer. So this is not going to work. This is not going to work. Even if somebody, even if the prospect feels like, yeah, Sarang is into e-com, Abhishek is into education, so they will feel that this guy is passionate about my industry. That is why he is sending me the email. Okay, he is already working in my niche. Even if I don't hire him, I can at least see what he is doing for my competitors, right? So this is how cold email works. You can't just go ahead and send emails to anybody. Okay, we have already done the cold emails. The cold DMs. Okay. So this works best with Instagram and Facebook. It can be done with any social media that allows you to send DM. Okay. Find targeted business pages in your niche and tell them how you can help them. Don't push hard, just tell them something you can help them with. Okay. Send them link to Calendly. So this will work with Facebook and Instagram. The Instagram, I already have it. I'm just sending you right away. The Facebook thing, you have to come to Facebook and search for those keywords. Okay. Okay. Manage videos. Okay. This is the Instagram DM outreach. This is done by mobile. So I have the screen record and I'm sending it to you. Then again, we have Google DM, there it is. Okay, I think we already have it in the group. I will resend it. Okay. So you guys have to go through those two videos. Now, same thing can be done with Facebook. You can simply go ahead and search for maybe you can search for gyms. Okay. Then you can go to, see, when you go to places, these are all the local gyms. Okay, these are all the local gyms. You can go to pages. Okay. Now you see all the gyms will appear here. Titans Gym. Let's assume we will uh, go with some local gyms. Let's assume this one. Right now, again, see guys, when you send out old messages now, you have to very updated with the latest trends. Right now, see the last, okay, it is a pinned post. I think, okay, they posted on 26th April about something like wealth day or something like that. Okay, so they are not that active. Okay, then this was on 31st March. Okay, so perfect. Okay, I already tried reaching them out. See, I'm a professional digital marketing. I help local business like gym, restaurant to get regular customer. If you want to promote your gym, let me know. Okay. Uh, okay, I think I have already sent them, so I will ignore this one and go to another one. Okay. Gym hour. Okay. So I always try to do experiments like if I'm sending this, this is working. If I'm sending that, it is working or not. After those experiments, you can find, see, if you need any kind of digital marketing consultation, please let me know. So this was in 2018. Okay. Since then, I'm trying to reach out to people. Okay, but right now, if you are trying to send messages to gyms, you have to build authority. So what I will do is let's assume choose a gym. Okay, let's assume we will choose Evolve Gym. Okay, or maybe I have already reached out to this people. Mm, Message. Okay, so now see by doing all those mistakes, I have learned a lot of things. When you try to send general message to people that they don't give a damn. So what you have to do is hi there. You can send things like I help gyms like yours get more customers each month. Uh, right now you have to stay updated because we know that gym abhi band hai. If I tell them कि मैं आपको कल से customer लाके दूंगा, they will laugh on me. Okay. So what you can do instead is, uh, as we know, gyms are closed right now. I can help you start a virtual gym and get more customers. Sounds interesting? Let me know if we can discuss more. Thanks. See, here I'm telling them that I help gyms only. Again, here I'm telling them that right now gyms are closed. So whenever the owner will read the message, he will see that, yeah, this guy knows about gym because he knows gyms are closed. He is working with gyms. And again, he is telling me that I can help you start a virtual gym and get more and more customers. So everything is benefit driven. Everything is after a research. He will not feel that I'm talking to a guy who doesn't know about gyms and all. Then if he feels like, yeah, we can talk, then he will either give you the number, or he will tell you that let's talk on this number, or this is my manager or something like that. Recently I reached to someone who is my friend, and she is having a two-star hotel in our city. I simply tried to reach her out, and I got the entry. See, hi there, I came across some of your activities of Grand Residency. Abhishek Bhai must be knowing Grand Residency very well. It is a well-known restaurant and hotel here. So I came across some of your activities of Grand Residency, and I appreciate your marketing efforts. Okay, just see how I'm talking to them. In case you need some professional digital branding and digital marketing, give me a knock. I would be more than happy for a chance of strategic presentation. Simply, she gave me the number, contact my general manager, this and that. Okay, this is a lead. You can call the general manager, set up a meeting, you can show them everything that you can do on a Zoom call, then the client will be closed. Okay, so these are all experiments. See, I'm not working in restaurant niche right now, but yeah, this really works. I talked to this person and he said, okay, bhai, right now there's a guy doing all the stuff. His agreement will be lapsing maybe in coming months, July or August. Then you can come down and we will have a talk. Okay, ये क्या होता है? We create a pipeline. Okay, we create a pipeline for us. ऐसा pipeline अगर आपके लिए ready होके रहेगा ना, after few months, you already know that every month people will come to me and I will start working with. Okay, so this is how I do things on Facebook. Instagram ka I have already sent you guys. Okay, and I will also send you the Google cold DMs. Okay, Google also works like a charm. So make sure that you talk to targeted businesses in your niche and people who already can afford the service. Don't send message to everybody. Don't push hard. Just tell them something you can help them. Send them a link to Calendly. Yeah, if it is a local business, you can go ahead and meet them personally. And if it is somewhere maybe in other state or other country, you can send them a Calendly link. Okay, so Google My Business, it only works with mobile. Find targeted businesses, check if they are if they have DM activated, send them DM. In 2000 elections, I got a 350,000 INR ticket for one single MLA. Then after taking his work, I showed that same case study to another 2 MLAs and I got 2 other projects. And right now I am also earning from that party every month. Okay, so this works really well. Okay, so best practices, find a prospect, find their email address, validate their email address, send them an email or DM saying how you can help them. See, again, if you don't have a valid email address, you can try to connect with them with a DM. You can go to their Facebook page and send them the message. Instagram, you have LinkedIn, a lot of ways to reach them. Mention benefits in the subject line. If possible, attach a testimonial of recent work. Don't ask for business, ask for a call. Okay, don't ask for business. See, if you already know that they are looking for something related to Facebook ads, you can add your testimonial or something like that. Attach link to Calendly link and book the call. So this is how we book calls. Once you start doing this, you will be seeing that your calendar is having a lot of calls, and be ready and never miss those calls because it is not professionalism. Okay, so these are all the cold things. I will also send few videos in the group. Now things will be interesting from this spot. We will talk about warm methods, warm soup method that I call them. And these are methods where people are already looking for your service. Let's assume you are selling explainer videos. Let's assume you are selling Facebook ads. Let's assume you are selling Shopify store management. Let's assume you are selling copywriting services. So people who are already looking for your service, okay, they are the people who are looking for you. They are not sure yet whom to hire. Okay, they are looking for someone. This is the best time to be in touch and do and be in touch with them and make an outreach. Okay, so I will show you how we do it. So these are the methods we will cover in the warm outreach method. One is Upwork organic warm email outreach, which we did yesterday. I will also show it again. Then we have LinkedIn warm outreach, which can either be done by LinkedIn email inside. Which can either be done by email or inbox. See, when you have the Premium version of LinkedIn, it allows you to send few messages through inbox. But again, you can also send them connect request, adding a message. Okay. Then we have Facebook and Twitter warm outreach. Okay, this is really interesting. If you want to get replies from tomorrow even, you can use these methods. Okay, then we have recruitment website outreach. Okay, so all these methods will work for any type of services that you are providing. These are people who are looking for you. These are people uh, who are looking for help. All you have to do is talk to them, and I can give you guarantee that you will get clients in few weeks. I can give it in return. Okay. So first of all, we will start with Upwork. We already did it yesterday. If you want me to skip this one, I can skip. I can go to the others, or I can show it to you guys again. Just type A for again, S for skip. Piyush is saying skip. Avilash is saying skip. Okay. तो सबको अगर समझ में आ गया है, we will just skip Upwork warm outreach. It is done outside Upwork. We just bypass the bidders and we try to reach the owner. Okay, so we are going to skip this one. Okay. Let's go for Twitter outreach. It is really interesting. How many of you have tried Twitter to get clients? Any of you ever got any clients or received any call request or anything from Twitter? You can just type Y or N. No. Everybody's in. Okay. So here is a method that I will teach you. Let's assume I'm into copywriting. Okay. So these are the keywords you have to type. First type looking, then type space. After looking, give a space, then type for FOR for, then your service, whatever you are selling. I will write copywriter. Okay, and hit enter. Now on the right side, you can see from where you are trying to find people from. Do you want to see posts from anyone or only from people you follow? Always make it anyone. Okay, worldwide. Location should be anywhere, not near you. Okay, it should be anywhere. Okay, so here is a post. Looking for a writing job, come and work with me. IATS something. This is looking for a copywriter. Okay, they are from Vancouver. So I will try to see what type of company it is. Okay, this is a company that is looking for some copywriters. See, what I can do here is first go and like this. Okay. Then try to see if you can message Henry, if it is possible to message him. Some people, yeah, some people enable this and some people don't. You can follow him. Okay, then send a message. See, in the recent time, in the last batch, we tried to do some outreaches. And we really got replies. Are you in India? This position is from working in our office. Okay, so I didn't get reply from this one. I got reply from this. They just sent me, yeah, thanks for expressing your interest in our content writer. You can kickstart your application by this. Okay, so now we will start and talk with Henry. Again, I'm telling you, don't do this from any company or brand profile. Do it from a personal profile. Okay, so in the past, I tried to do it from company profile, which didn't work at all, because they just think that you are going to take the work and outsource it. So try to do it from a personal profile. And here we are. So what I will do is, Hi, Henry. I just came across your tweet that says, or which says, you are looking for a copywriter. Mm, this is something I do for a living. Or you can write something like, this is what I exactly do, or this is something I do to help my clients. Okay. Mm, I also have a decent looking portfolio, which you can find. Uh, if it is a long link, you have to maybe you have to shrink it like using Bitly or something, because I don't think Twitter will allow me to send a long message, which you can find here. Okay, just add the link. So what I will do is I will get my copywriting, uh, portfolio folder link. And shorten the URL and add it here. So you already know that they are looking for a copywriter. So you can just go ahead and send them your portfolio, because it will help them see how you are writing stuff. And if they like your writing material, they will get back to you. Get the link, copy the link, and create a short link. Okay, create. Then copy the link, put it here. Okay, I also have a decent looking portfolio, which you can find here. If you have few minutes this week or the next, can we schedule a short Zoom call? Best. Okay. Okay. Somehow I pressed enter by mistake, but this is how it looks like. This is how I send message on Twitter. Uh, this is tried and tested. Few people from last batch already getting responses, and one guy also booked a call. So this is how you can go ahead and try reaching out people from Twitter. Don't do it from any brand account. If you don't have a good looking account, you can go and try to set up one. And you can also mention whatever you are doing on your cover page. Then you can start reaching out to people. Okay. So this is exactly what I sent on Twitter. And as you know, these people are already looking for you. Let's assume looking for Facebook ads manager. Okay. Okay, there are a lot of people posting things like, I'm a Facebook ads manager, try to talk to me if you want to hire me. Don't do those things. It will not work at all. Okay, there are a few people that are doing some spam in this particular niche. This guy especially is tweeting the same thing every day. Okay, let's try some other keywords. Let's assume we are providing graphic design. Looking for, yeah, see, Go.media, and this was the one who wanted to hire a copywriter. See, they are telling me that, hi Satrajit, we have responded to your question in via DM. Request you to check the same. Okay, so you can find a lot of foreign clients using this. Looking for maybe graphic design. Yeah, see this one. This is what you have to look into. These are the people we are looking for. Okay. I think she is a TEDx speaker. Yeah, she is a TEDx speaker. She is now looking for some graphic designer. Okay. Again, see, if you are willing to get clients instantly, maybe in few weeks, and you are out of money or something like that, you can simply try this. Okay, because it will work because they are looking for you. Again, I will follow them and send them a message. Hey, Nikki, just came across your tweet that says you are looking for a graphic designer. This is my portfolio. Just add your portfolio here. If you have a few minutes this week or next, can we discuss this over a short call? Okay, just add minutes. If you have few minutes, yeah, MINS, it is fine. We are writing chatting language because we are using Twitter DM. It is fine. When you send DMs, you can write chatting language also. So see everything. See पूरा prospect यही है prospective कि उसको लगना चाहिए कि I'm not receiving a sales pitch or maybe a bot is sending me a message. Just try to talk the way you talk to your friends. Okay. See, I have everything ready. Again, what I will do is, oh shit. Mhm. Okay, copy link and send it to. Okay, you can use short URL or whatever you want, but again, I think it is showing a thumbnail, so it is fine. So right now I know that this prospect is looking for something. Then I also have few people who are doing graphic design. So I simply sent her a message saying that I can provide you this service and go through the entire the entire portfolio and let me know if you are willing to work. See, now I'm not a graphic designer, but I have people who do graphics. So I can simply get this project and outsource it to them, maybe by keeping a 40%, 30% or anything, any amount with me, and I will just tell them to work on it. Okay. किसी को काम भी मिल जाएगा and you are also getting additional revenue every month. So yeah, we did Upwork outreach. did Twitter outreach. Now we will do Facebook warm up. Okay. Now see, many people that I have seen uh, in this digital marketing or freelancing business, अगर उनको they want to get business from Facebook, now what they do is they simply go to all the digital marketing or entrepreneurship groups and they start to comment on wherever people are posting something, or maybe they are trying to self promote themselves so that they will get some clients. But that doesn't really work. Okay, that doesn't really work, because already in a group agar kisi ne post kar diya I need a graphic designer, then 200 people will comment. Okay, instead of that, what you can do is you can try to search here something like looking for copy writer and hit enter. So once you do it, now you have to filter things. You have to click on post. Okay. Then again, you have to okay. You have to check now again. See, if you want location specific, you can do it. But what I do is I normally click on posts. Then it will show you post of your friends and post done by other people as well. Now, this is something Yuvika posted on 4th May. I'm already in talking terms with her. We are already going to finalize the everything. See, copywriter requirement. We are already doing this. Okay, so we are already on calls. Everything is fixed. Okay, this is her budget and everything. So we are already going to do this. Okay. तो ये क्या आपको पता था कि भाई मेरे प्रोफाइल में आप 3000 people, but my friend is looking for a copywriter and I don't even know it. Okay, so we are so much lost in consuming content. कोई क्या कर रहा है, कहीं लाइव वीडियो हो रहा है, someone is doing some videos, webinars, ये वो, but we are totally forgetting about things like people already are searching for you inside your friend list. Okay, how many time have you tried like seeing in my friend list koi kuch aa raha hai kya, koi services? Now this is a hot lead because she already knows my writing style. She already knows who am I. She already knows for me since few months. So it is really easy for me to go ahead and close the client, maybe in few messages or few emails or calls. Okay, then once on the top it will show you the friends and stuff. Then once you uh, go here, see all public posts for looking for copyright, just click on. Okay, okay, now see, he is trying to say my agency is expertising on hiring part-time copywriters specializing in Facebook ads e-com niche. Okay, so if you already, yeah, see, there are a lot of people sending him portfolio. So if you see that it is an old post and a lot of people are sending him messages, just keep that and go with post that is having less amount of comments. Okay, now this is looking for copywriters, please DM. Okay, here you see someone who is looking for a copywriter. You can either go ahead add her into your friend list, or you can simply go ahead and send them a message like the way I sent a message in Twitter. Okay, again you can go below and see, yeah, looking for copywriter English to write executive summary. So basically I'm not interested in writing summary and all. I will just skip that. Hi ma'am, hi, I'm looking for copywriter who can help me tell a great story. Okay, see how many leads are there. How many leads are there? A lot of leads. Okay, a lot of leads are there. People are looking for a copywriter around you, but you are not trying to do the outreach. Okay, again, don't try to go and start commenting on all these posts. That really doesn't work. You can either go to their profile and send them a message, or try to find them on LinkedIn and send them a direct email. So either or, these two methods will work here. Don't try to go and join in that comment box because already a lot of people are doing that. Okay, so this is how we do things on Facebook. And recruitment side हम लोग कल करेंगे because it is a another process. We will do LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn warm outreach. LinkedIn warm outreach के लिए you have to go to LinkedIn first. See, यहाँ पे you will get all the best kind of leads and jobs and everything. Okay. Again, you have to use the search bar, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा अलग keywords रहते हैं. Okay. You have to type. First of all, you have to type whatever services you are providing. Let's assume Facebook ads. Okay. Then you have to type a recommendation. Okay. I think, yeah, recommendation. Okay. Facebook ads, then recommendation. See, this is the keyword that you have to play with. Facebook ads space recommendation. Okay, sorry. One second. Okay. This is what you have to type. I've sent it in chat. Facebook ads space recommendation. ये कोई भी niche, कोई भी कुछ भी service आप provide कर रहे हैं, you can use it. Okay, then try to hit enter. Okay. So once you hit enter, just go to posts. Okay. Now here you will find a lot of warm leads and try to reach out to people who already are posting maybe in 3 days back, or maybe you post both latest 1 day back, 3 day back, or maybe 1 week. 1 week ke andar jitna hai, you will get a lot of good results from. Again, once you do this Facebook ads for ads recommendations, now just open this up. Okay. Again, open this up. Open this up and see what actually they are posting. Okay. We already know how to get email of somebody's LinkedIn profile. Okay, extractor हमको पता है. And again, if we are not getting the email, we can directly send them a message like, this is what your post was all about. Okay. So Bobby Harrison is the founder of Hustle Boxing Fitness. Looking for recommendation for Facebook, Instagram advertising expert. We already run successful ads, but we are looking to take them to the next level, looking for freelance rather than agency. Okay, now it is clear that they are looking for a freelancer, but do not approach as an agency. Okay. You can simply see, abhi ek bar you have the project, who cares if you are a freelancer or an agency? All the need is result, right? Now, what I will do is, okay, you have to click on view full profile, okay? Otherwise, you will not get the lead. Now, click on this. Try to find his contact information. He is from England, United Kingdom. Okay. Okay, you can try to find his name and add his company name. But again, if I'm not getting, okay, the message section is locked. You can go to more. try to connect. Okay. Okay, he is not allowing to send any message. You can add a note here. Okay, so even if he is not allowing you, you can add a note. But again, आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि note में you can only send 300 characters. Hi Bobby. Just जितना कम words use कर पाएंगे उतना ही better. Just came across your requirement or necessity for a Facebook ads manager. Right, oops. Right now, I'm helping my clients or something like right now. I'm doing this for a living. Right now, I'm specializing on Facebook ads, particularly. If you have few minutes, can we jump on a call or chat? Okay, so as you know that this person is not willing to get messages from everyone or anyone, you can just ask him. Okay, you can just ask him that can we jump on a chat or call or something like that, then send him the message. Okay, so now that you know, okay, I don't know why this is freezing. I think we have some issue with the internet. So okay, again, now here, this particular person is saying, I'm looking for, I'm looking for a course that can develop my skills. Okay, just simply skip that. Okay, I am looking for recommendation for a freelancer who can work with us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads and content to promote DTC branding. Okay, now see, there are a lot. See, this is the kind of response people are posting. So I'm really sure that if you have some good results with you, you can easily crack this client. See, this is kind of something really bogus things that people are doing. इससे क्या होगा? इससे क्या होगा भाई? इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. People are doing, all are from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Philippines. They are doing bogus work here. Simply open his profile, either directly reach out to him or reach out to him via email or something. One second. So this is what we should do, and don't try to spam things. He is allowing to people to connect. You can try to connect, or you can try to find his email ID. Okay, he is director founder, and he is helping global brands expand across Asia. Okay, so okay, we have his email ID. Now you know what you have to do. You can simply go to his go to your email and send him a message like, yeah, I saw your requirement on LinkedIn. You are looking for someone who can help you with Facebook ads and stuff. This is something I'm doing for my clients, and I have great results for them. Just see the results that I have, and let me know whether we can jump on a call. So you can use it for any type of business that you are providing. let's assume I'm into copywriting. Okay. Yeah. See, we are looking for freelance copywriter. Thanks everyone. Okay, that is not something we are looking for. I'm looking for the best recommendations for copywriter. I'm looking for recommendations for professional content and copy solution. Looking for Arabic copywriter. Okay, so you will find a lot of warm leads here. These are the people that are already looking for you. All you have to do is start reaching out, and when you talk to warm people now, the chances of getting the client is highest because you are not sending email to someone who is not looking for your services. So now, for the sake of revenue, if you want clients who are already looking for you, आपको कुछ भी issue नहीं है कि whether they have some gym, whether they have some spa or some any type of businesses. Okay. See, again, someone was asking me, sir, you are telling me to go to niche, but if I'm getting clients from other niche, shall I take them or not? You can, because who says no to money? Money को कौन पैसे को कौन मना करता है? If it is coming to you, why will you tell them no? You can simply start working for them. अगर see now again, I will tell you guys one thing. अगर you are not sure about your niche, try to go ahead and find some warm leads. Talk to them and convert a client. Let's assume it is a gym. Try to give them the proper solution. Now, if you have given them the proper solution, try to reach out more gyms and tell them that I have helped ABC gym doing this. Now I can help you do that. Okay. So we learned how to do Upwork organic, LinkedIn warm outreach, then Facebook and Twitter warm outreach. Tomorrow we will do the recruitment website outreach. Now it is also very interesting, guys. हम क्या करेंगे? There are a lot of people who are looking for remote people or part-time people or contractors. There are a lot of job sites internationally. Indeed, there are Glassdoor, there are Naukri, or बहुत सारा foreign versions भी है जो we can go to them and tell them that like you have posted this and right now I can do this for you at this much of amount, so that you don't have to pay this much of money to local people. You can simply outsource the entire thing to me and I will handle everything. Okay, and you will be saving this much of money and you will be getting the work delivered from a remote place. Okay, so right now everybody is accepting remote people, so it is not a like new thing for them. Right now remote work is a new normal. Okay. Okay, so this is how we do it. We find people who are looking for our services. We find their email address and send them messages. Send them a message saying how you can help them, how much experience you have with proof of work. Then simply tell them that you want them to go on a call. Okay. Now this is Upwork cover letter thing. This is inside Upwork. Okay, I will teach you guys Upwork. 1 second. Yeah, Upwork connects method वाला और recruitment website वाला we will do tomorrow, because इससे ज़्यादा होगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Okay. See, this was something I did outside of Upwork and I closed the client. You can see above $1100 में $1200 में ये client close हुआ था. अभी right now they are paying me around $1600 something dollars every month. Okay, so for those who want some proof, somebody asked me in the last batch कि sir मुझे दिखाइए कि whether actually this is working or not. Okay, so already this is something, and I also sent him the PayPal screenshot. So okay, so ये सारा हम कल करेंगे क्योंकि इसमें घुसेंगे तो it will go over the head. Okay, now what I want you guys to do is, if you have any questions, you can just ask me in the chat. Once I answer few questions, we will move to closing this entire today's class. So if you guys have questions, go ahead and ask me. It is already 10:30 and yeah, Hemant sir is trying to say something. You can go ahead and speak.
So what about phone numbers? So if I want to do a WhatsApp outreach, So say Lucia and all, they don't give me exact, phone numbers at times. I'm not sure what is a good tool for, WhatsApp or phone outreach.
Sir, normally I don't do phone outreach. See, if you ask me why, because I personally hate people calling me random. Okay. See,
Not for
I am
calling WhatsApp, just WhatsApp, and then you can initiate that
yeah,
call.
yeah. See, again, see, WhatsApp is a very private kind of thing. Okay. There are many people who send me messages like, I can do this for you, I can do that for you. So I always try to get them on a Zoom call, then only I ask them numbers and everything. And again, yeah, if you want WhatsApp, I think, yeah, Lasha gives you numbers, but we can't trust on those numbers. Okay. So it gives you right email IDs, but I don't think it gives you the right numbers. So I try to avoid reaching out through phone or WhatsApp because I think it is kind of private for me. And if somebody who doesn't know me directly sending me WhatsApp or calling me, I don't really feel good about it. And I also don't want my prospect to feel bad about it. That's why I normally avoid kind of doing WhatsApp and calls and everything.
Can we have some mail through which you have got the client
Uh,
format?
the mail, yeah, see, whatever I am sending right now is the same format. See, I will show you. अभी मैंने आपको एक screenshot भेजा, दिखाया. That is the same thing. See, I just noticed that you need help from social media management. I have written several social media pages right now. Here is my attached PDF. Then they replied me, then I converted the client. This is the most simple and easiest email you can send. See, I noticed you are looking for me. I have done this job before. This is the proof of work. Can we talk? That's it. That's it. You don't have to complicate this. See, I always believe in simple things. If you try to complicate it, if you try to send complicated emails, nobody is going to talk with you because they will be 100% sure that this guy is trying to sell me something. Okay. There are many emails like, hi, this is Sudarshan from ABC brand. We are a global leader of among 500 companies. We work with Fortune 500 things. We do this, we do that. We have done this, we have done that. We created this, we created that. We have a team of this. I am not interested, man. I am looking for social media manager. Show me what type of social media management work you have did or you have done in your past. That's it. Simple. Keep it really short and simple. Once they open the door for you, then only you can go ahead and talk to them and tell them everything. Probably WhatsApp will work for Indian client in some specific niches where people aren't much active in email. Yeah, it will work. But again, I don't do it because I feel I am breaching the privacy of someone. WhatsApp is something really private. I don't try to do that because I myself don't like when people do that. If Avinash is saying if you are in WhatsApp groups, then give so much value in groups itself, then people will definitely reach you asking about the service. Yeah. This will work. This will work. If you share a lot of good things in WhatsApp group, then people might reach you out and ask like what you are doing exactly. Can you do this for me? That might work. Okay. See, normally we have to make sure that whatever we are doing, uh, it shouldn't make the prospect feel like we are here only to sell or we are breaching their privacy and all. So try to just talk like a friend to them. Like, hey man, you said this, you are looking for this. I already have done this. Can we talk? That's it. Once they once they show you a green signal, like yes, Satrujit, we can have a conversation, then only you talk because they have not told you to start pitching yet. Okay. I get a lot of WhatsApp messages like, sir, we are into this, we provide this, please call us for this. See, I'm not looking for you. why are you breaching my privacy and sending me WhatsApp messages? Okay, so do we have any more questions? Sarang is asking, shall we attach case studies in cold email? See, Sarang, agar client is already looking for something that you are providing, then only you attach the case study. You can attach case study in Upwork Worm. You can attach in Twitter Worm, Facebook Worm, LinkedIn Worm. But when you are doing a cold email, you are just saying hi to that person. Okay, see, it is just like dating a girl. Okay, when you first meet her on the first date, you just ask few questions like what you are doing, what are your hobbies and all. Slowly you take the date into a deeper connection. Okay, it is just like a date. Just tell them that, hey, you are into this, I'm into this. Can we have a meet, or can we meet and talk? Again, when you do meet in the first meet, you ask them what you are exactly doing, how things are working out with you, what are your pains, what are your problems. I had similar experience with XYZ client. This is what really happening with me. I helped a lot of clients doing this, doing that. Then they will automatically tell you. So yeah, how we can do things better. So then you come to scene, then you come to do the pitching. Piyush is saying we just don't need to pitch service in the first message, right? Never, never, ever, never, ever. See, all of you, so many people are here. In the last batch, I had around 20 people. In this batch, we have around 12 people. Again, last batch, the ticket size was less, like I was charging 2,999. So there are more people. In this batch, there are 12 people because I'm charging 5,000. Okay. Now, I have never gone to a single person and told them that you choose me. They chose me. See, people buy you before they buy the product. Okay. So if the person will buy you now, they will automatically buy what you are selling. See, before buying my product, you guys already bought me. You already knew that, yeah, this is the guy, this is the thing I want. Okay, so you don't have to pitch anything. You don't have to pitch anything to anyone. Again, the method I used to get you people in my funnel, I will also share that. It is maybe in the third or fourth day. I will also share that. It is really interesting. It is working like anything, and it will get you a lot of clients. Okay, so you don't have to pitch anything. You just have to talk to people, build relationship, build authority, show them what you have done for others. Okay, just like I told you, show them the picture, show them the destination. Don't talk about what you do, how you do, buy my service, blah, blah, blah. Just show them what you have done in your life. That's it. If they want it, they will simply tell you that, hey, guy, hey man, I really want to go there. Take me there. Okay, nobody is interested in what are the methods you use, what are the services you provide, how your airplane looks like, what kind of fuel you will use, how you will take the passenger to the destination. All they want is the destination. So try to sell them the destination, not the services. Never pitch services on the first message. Okay. Avilash is saying, you are awesome. I appreciate all your efforts explaining everything from scratch with all the patience. Thank you, Avilash. Thank you. See, Avilash, this is what I have went through my entire life. The main struggle of a digital marketer, freelancer, or agency owner is to get clients. Okay. So if you have the right setup, if you have the right framework, it is really easy to get clients. Piyush is saying, love today's session. It is detailed and simple. Thank you. Thank you. Why? See, there are a lot of course creators. They go into technicality and stuff. Okay. But I want to teach like a friend. Okay. कोई अपने पास दोस्त बैठा है वो बोल रहा है कि भाई ये कर ये नहीं कर ये गलत कर रहा है ये. This is the way we should teach. That is why India is not going fast, because people are into technicalities, formalities and stuff. Just dumb it down for them and they will love the process. Okay. Any other questions? Aditya Bhai is saying more than anything, I found don't be fancy, be normal and see copywriting में एक बहुत अच्छा चीज है. People tell you to do not try to waste the time of your prospect or your client. Okay, copywriting. Why copywriting is a highly paid skill is it helps to sell products and services using words. Okay, using words. So make it as simple as possible. Abhi, if you go to Apple, Samsung, or maybe OnePlus, उनका जितना भी ad copy है उसको copy करो and put it on Hemingway app. It will show you that वो 2 level या 3 level या 4th level 4th grade के हिसाब से लिखा गया है. क्यों लिखा गया है? भाई, if you are trying to sell, if you are trying to pitch, and at the same time you are trying to waste the time of the prospect, you are creating a scenario where the prospect will feel like, भाई, this is overwhelming. ये क्या लिखा है इतना सारा, मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है ये पूरा email पढ़ने का. I need simplicity in my life because I come to my inbox for 30-40 minutes and I see all this crap. I don't want to waste my time. Nobody wants to waste their time. There are a lot of CEOs and billionaires, millionaires maybe out there. They don't want to waste 3 hours of their time on email. Just think about them. Dumb it down for them. Make it simpler and you will get response. So that is why copywriters are highly paid, because they dumb it down for people. They use words that resonate to emotions or psychography. Okay, they don't try to waste time of the reader. Okay, so don't try to waste time of your reader. Try to make things simple and try to make it a bit persuasive so that they can take action and talk to you. That's it. Okay, so any other questions? Subhabrat Mondal is saying your session is amazing. Thanks for your help. Thank you for choosing. I think we just got a response from somebody we did outreach to. I think it is the Bobby Harrison or something, जिसको मैंने LinkedIn में अभी भेजा था. He simply accepted my connection request. I got a notification. So you can see it live. People are responding to it. Why make things complicated? Why make things complicated? Yeah, see, Bobby has seen my profile and he accepted me, and because I got a notification that Bobby is now a connection. Okay. Sarang is saying, can you show me an example of total cold email to send to a new prospect? I want to see the script. Yeah, sure, Sarang. अच्छा, ये कहाँ पे दिखाएगा? I think the drop down.
कनेक्शन से मिलेगा ना सर?
Right. अभी मुझे फोन पे एक नोटिफिकेशन आया कि Bobby is now a connection. I think I will go to his profile and see. Yeah, we are now a connection. Okay, we are now a connection. Okay, I can give kudos, request recommendation, remove from my connection. Okay, he has accepted my connection request. Maybe, yeah, he got the message. Once he reads that, he will send me maybe his reply. Once he replies, I will show you guys what he said. So आपने बोला अभी कोल्ड का ना, आई विल शो यू मैंने कितना पिच किया है और वो अप्रूवल हो चुका है. बस अभी दिस क्वार्टर में दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू स्पेंड इट, दे विल बी स्पेंडिंग इट. ओके, सी Hi Sakshi, I can't show you the name of the company right now. I hope you are doing good. Remember our IG chat conversation. This is regarding the same. Here is what I offer to my clients. Okay, so this started from Instagram outreach. Okay, uh, I told them what I'm offering. Then I told them to book a call. ये जो Instagram का message है, I will show you because I think ये मैंने last batch में किया था ये outreach. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, we got into Zoom meeting. उनका पूरा कंपनी का जितना भी बोर्ड मेंबर्स था, they were there. Okay. Now कहाँ पे गया मेरा pitch? Maybe shall see. Yeah. Yeah. See, this was my pitch. 1,25,000 plus GST. Okay. Thank you for reaching out on Deccan pricing. We also acknowledge the research and stuff. We had a conversation, but right now this quarter is something they don't want to do it since we are doing a lot of renewals. Okay, we won't be able to optimize this at this point of time. Maybe some quarters down the line, we will really love to work with. Okay, so इसने already मेरे को बोला कि next quarter में you can also reach me out. Okay, so this was the cost that that I asked them to pay me for 30 days. Okay, 1,25,000. So ये client मुझे मिला था इधर Product Hunt. Okay, I got them from Product Hunt. Then I messaged them on Instagram. I will send you guys, Sarang, I will send you the message. मैंने उनको जो भी भेजा था, I will send you. Okay, so I have already gone into 2-3 calls with them, and I pitched them 1,25,000. They are ready with it, but in the next quarter. तो इधर आपको बहुत सारे companies मिल जाएंगे which are funded. Okay, Product Hunt. Then again, there are a lot of sites like Trackin. Yeah, Trackin में आपको मिल जाएगा किसको क्या funding जा रहा है. Or you can also try to search for companies that are getting funding. Internet business funding deals. Okay, funding deals में जाइए, Trackin में जाके. Okay, इधर देखिए अप्रैल में मिल गया है बाइजूस को, मीशो को, स्विगी को, ग्रो को, बेलडारा को. Okay, these are the amount in US dollars. Okay, 74 lakh US dollar मिला है इसको. ये एक e-com company है. Sarang, you can go ahead and talk to these guys. Maybe they need some help. Okay, I just got your cold lead, which you can try to reach out. See, these people have received 74 lakh crores US dollars. Okay, recently. इसको जाओ, pitch करो, talk to them, try to get them maybe on a Zoom. Beldara.com. So ऐसे बहुत सारे जगह हैं जहाँ से you can find leads people or leads that are having money. I will send you the Instagram messages. But the thing is, you have to do the work or you have to outsource them. Outsource कैसे क्या करना है, we will talk about it. So if you guys have any more questions, just put it in the chat or I will close the meeting.
Can we have any information regarding an Amazon clients who are selling on the Amazons?
Amazon में तो उतना मेरा मतलब आप बोल रहे हैं कि Amazon FBA का?
हाँ, उनके clients अपने को मिल सकते हैं क्या जो Amazon में बेच रहे हैं, Flipkart में बेच रहे हैं?
ये मेरा एक बंदा है जो who is working in this niche. I will ask him and tell you because वो वैसा कुछ कर रहा था, मतलब जिसका Amazon store है उसको directly connect कर रहा है.
Okay.
I will get that for you. I will talk to him and I will ask him कि वो कैसे कर रहा था. If he shares me, then I will definitely tell you how he is doing that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So any more questions or we should stop here? Okay, it's going to be 10:55 now. I'm closing the meeting. If you have any other questions, you can send me PM and everything. We will meet tomorrow at 8:30. So thank you for attending. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Bye-bye. Good night.